Hello everyone, Arduino is one of the most widely known microcontroller boards used by students, engineers, hobbyists to create a multitude of different projects on robotics, home automation and many others. It can be programmed to control the way buttons, motors, switches, lights and other electronic parts work together. Arduino is hands-on, which is one of the many reasons it's appealing to kids. It can be plugged into a computer. We can write a program on the computer and send it to the Arduino. It creates an accessible way for the software developers to enter the world of microcontroller programming. It is a microcontroller interface built around an atmel atmega processor coupled with an integrated development environment for creating logic on the chip. Its applications are in weighing machines, traffic light countdown timer, parking lot counter, embedded systems, home automation, industrial automation, medical instrument, emergency light for railways, etc. Arduino is easily accessible. Even for those who don't know much about electronics, Arduino boards are simply a type of microcontroller. They are able to read inputs from the sensors and turn those inputs to output. Arduino is the best for beginners looking to get started with electronics for the first time. I am Kavere Se, you're watching Tech Domicile, and in the upcoming series, we will be learning about Arduino, its components, ways to use it, also learn to write codes, and we will be doing some minor projects. In order to follow this series, one should have basic knowledge in electronics and C or C++ programming language. The components required for this series are listed in the description box. So that's it for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if interested in this series, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned. If you have any queries, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? So nice to meet you. You said we should go and get a room. Now, if you wanna turn it on.